Welcome to the G1 reactor head assembly tutorial. This is Bibiana. She is going to show you how to assemble the reactor head of the G1 nanoparticle generator. Assemble the reactor in a fume hood. Place left end cap on mounting tool. Place left KF clamp. Place electrode in left end cap. Place KF part with viewport. Fasten left KF clamp. Place right KF clamp. Place electrode in right end cap. Place right end cap on mounting tool. Fasten right KF clamp. Take reactor head to the G1 and mount it to base unit. You are now ready to start your research.